Okay, so the problem 36 is your homework assignment problem. Okay, and then this is given, right? This is IP address is given. And then the customer name is North High, South High, North Middle, and Elementary, and etc., right? And then the number of addresses, right? So first take a look at the North High. The requirement is that this network, right? The North High network need to have what? At least this many IP addresses. So by looking at this number of addresses, right? You know that this is what? You have to use a Class B chart, right? Class B VLSM chart. So let's just, okay, right? So this is Class A. You know that Class A, if you look at the /15, it's still like a 1 million. I mean, not 1 million, sorry. The, 0.13 million, right? So about 100,000, right? So immediately I know that Class A VLSM chart, I'm not going to use this, right? Instead, if I look at the Class B, right? Requirement was what? Requirement was 24, right? 2400. So let's see. 24. So /20, right? /20 is the right, the size, right? Sorry. So /24 is the right size, right? Hold on. Let's see. Let's take a look at the 24, right? 24. Oh, sorry, 24, right? So this is /21 is only 2,000, so it's a little bit small, right? For the 24. So /20 is the right size, right? So it's because it can have up to 4,000 hosts, right? Around 4,000 hosts. So /20. Okay. So the first one, right? The first one is what? Yeah, first one is I can use this block. Right? Because it can hold up to 2,000, but /21 only can have 2,000. But what I need is 24, right? So I need to use /20. Okay. So the first one, right? The first one that I need to have is what? Okay, the first one that I have to is for the 24, right? I need to have 172.32.0.0 all the way to what? And this is Class B, right? So I have to manipulate the third octet. I have to work on the third octet, right? 172. That, by the way, this is Class B. And then 172 dot what? 32 dot 15, right? Okay, 15 dot, not 0, it should be 255. Be careful. This is Class B. Okay, this is a 215, it's not 0. Okay, so I'm done with the first one, right? So let's take a look at the second requirement, right? The second is 2,000. So for the 2,000, by the way, I can first, I think it's always good to write the next one. So if I just add +1 to this, then the next one is, no matter what, I'm gonna have start with the 232, what? Then 16, that's 0, right? No matter what, okay? Okay, And the next one is what? Next one is 2000, right? With the 2000 post, let's see, I can use /21, right? And which is this guy, right? 16 to 23, 23, right? So it's a 23 right there. 172.32.255. Okay. So this is like okay, so you can I think for the part 1, I think it's very straightforward. You really don't need my help, so you can just fill out the rest, right? And so the part 1, you know, it's not a really big. There's nothing you know much for me to explain further, right? So I'm gonna start here, and then the next one. The part 2, I think it requires a little bit of my help. So let's take a 1-minute break.